Hello fellow weebs, today we're going to be seeing if Godzilla can survive a hollow purple. Hollow purple is from Jujutsu Kaisen. I think it's Gojo's weapon of truth. Let's see. Oh fuck, don't touch me, bad monsters. We'll give Godzilla some time to move away. Now let's see. Oh god. Oh god, Godzilla's arm. He survived. Well, would you really call that a survival? And shot right into the heart. Damn. Okay then. Jesus, it didn't even like pierce him, it just went inside him. So can Godzilla okay, we'll try one more. We'll spawn one more. We'll aim for the head. Damn, it didn't work. I got a bit of them, but we need to get more of them. Come on. Come on, Godzilla, come on. Okay. You're gonna die. Yeah. I'll have to be survived. Okay guys, we can now confirm that Godzilla cannot survive a hollow purple. Neither can anything. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.